Coneflowers, also known as Echinacea, are popular perennial flowers that are easy to grow and care for. Here are some tips on how to successfully grow and care for coneflowers in your garden. Planting. Coneflowers prefer well-drained soil and full sun. They can be planted in the spring or fall and should be spaced about 18 to 24 inches apart. Watering. Once established, coneflowers are relatively drought-tolerant. However, they should be watered during extended dry periods to ensure proper growth and blooming. Fertilizing. Coneflowers do not require heavy fertilization, but a light application of a balanced fertilizer in the spring can help promote healthy growth. Deadheading, or removing spent flowers, can help encourage additional blooming. Simply snip off the old flowers at the base of the stem. Winter care. Coneflowers are hardy in most climates and do not require special winter care. However, in areas with heavy snowfall, it's a good idea to provide some support to the stems to prevent them from breaking. Pests and diseases. Coneflowers are relatively resistant to pests and diseases, but they can occasionally be affected by powdery mildew or rust. If you notice any issues, remove and destroy affected foliage, and consider treating it with a fungicide. Propagation. Coneflowers can be easily propagated by dividing the clumps in early spring or late fall. In summary, coneflowers are easy to grow and care for and make a great addition to any garden. They prefer well-drained soil, full sun, and occasional watering and fertilization. Regular deadheading can help promote additional blooming, and the plants are generally resistant to pests and diseases.